snap it in and get it out. Snap it in, no problemo. And the last things I gotta do is just go down to the faceplates, y'all. Down to the faceplates, y'all.
Let's see that happy face.
Down to the faceplates.
Boom.
Booyah. They were manhandling their PlayStations on the videos and stuff.
Yes.
Okay, last but not least, like I told you right here, I want to get a PlayStation sticker so when it goes through, it illuminates when you turn it on. Okay, so now I go like this and then pop it in, and that's it.
Wow.
She's cleaned right down to the bone.
We're not
She's
gonna leave
cleaned
it up
down
like
to the
that.
bone and liquid metal replaced.